all bang, girl gang, girl gang, girl gang, girl gang, girl gang, girl gang, swaggles, bang bang, ice down, drippin', rain rain, brought the troop out, and they all bang, girl gang.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Badal Sisters channel. And so today I'm gonna be she's getting her hair taken down right now, but today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a YouTube intro and how to do like the little phone thing. So this is part 1. Part 2 will be the phone thing because I don't want to make this video too long. So yeah, so this is what you want to do. So first we got PicsArt, huh?
I really don't like long videos.
Yeah, that's why I'm not trying to make it long, because I don't want people to be like, dang, this video is so long. But I didn't sign in. You don't have to sign in. If you want to sign in, then you can sign in. But I just, basically what I do is, I press the little plus button right there. And look at that picture. So, ooh, that background look cute. And that background look cute too. So, let's just say we're using this background.
You know that? I've been watching SpongeBob.
So, we're using this type of background, right? Tools. You're going to crop the background. And you're going to move it to like something like this. Like, or you can just do YouTube. Which is the same thing as this. So that's what I do. It's gonna be like that. So then you just add like a photo. So in here, I'm gonna go to a photo that's already cropped out, which is this one. So just say I'm making a YouTube intro for like a different, let's just say this is not me basically, but it is me. Let's just act like it's not. So basically, if you're making a YouTube intro for you, act like it's you. Waiting for it to load. This take forever. So then, basically, you'll go to this side. I don't like this. Hold on. We're gonna go home real quick. Go to the eraser. Because obviously that picture didn't come out like I thought it would come out. But whatever. So then you're just gonna go to your cameras. The thing. I'm gonna use this XXX picture. R.I.P. So then, hold on. Like you erase the background.
Wait, what kind of phones does it work for?
It works for, I don't know if it works on Android, but I know it works on iPhone.
Most of everybody has phones.
So yeah, you just want to size it out.
Looking fresh, looking pretty.
Anybody in the background, just if you just want a picture of yourself, do that. So this might not be the best, but whatever. So yes, just say we're using this picture, you press done when you're done with it. And then like basically your whole thing is erased. You're gonna press this. You're gonna have to watch an ad or whatever. It does this every time you want to say something. So it's like you can't skip it, because if you press skip, it's gonna tell you like you can't save it anymore. So just press save. Yes, okay. So then we're going to go back to PicsArt, because I forgot to do that one. I just had to do that. Do that before, so you guys don't have to go back and forth. So that's the picture before, as you can see. Before, after. So you would click 2 of those, basically. If you want, but I put it on one on each side. YouTube name. So we're going to just put any YouTube name. I'm going to just put the Badal Sisters, basically. Yeah, I don't mind the sound in the background. If you want to put some emojis, you'll put some emojis. Like, if you want to put some emojis, you know, you can do, I don't know. Let's just put a heart. This type of heart. So, yeah, you can just put the emoji right there. So, we're going to leave this part open right here, because you could put the phone right there. So, you just put apply. So, this is the part that everybody... Where's my iMovie? Hold on. Okay guys, so welcome back. So basically I had to go download iMovie, which took forever. Like what? Anyways, this is the app that I'm using. iMovie right there, that's how it looks. So basically you want to press create project and movie. So yeah, you want to, where's the picture? This is the part I do not like, but you gotta go to photos, then you gotta go to PixArt. Why did it not save? What's going on? Hold on. Did I even save it? I'm so confused. Alright, I'm gonna go back to PixArt and I'm gonna go see if I saved it. So obviously I did not save it. So y'all press photos when you press save, and it's gonna take straight to photos when it's saved to your photos. Then I'm gonna go back to iMovie, y'all, because I don't know what I was thinking, but there you go. So there goes my thing. So you want to press create movie. Alright y'all, so from preventing it from moving like this, from basically moving around back and forth, what you want to do is click on the little strip, and then you want to pinch to zoom, and then you're going to go to the other part, and then you're going to zoom out. Just like that. And then just going to make it, it's 16 seconds is how long the thing is. So you want to press the little plus button, go to video, and you're going to go to all, because, well, you could go to wherever you want, but I'm just going to say this, so yeah. There it goes. So you're going to get the green screen. What you need is the green screen. You cannot use nothing else but green screen. Okay, y'all? So this is how, or blue screen. So you press 3 green dots and you're going to see you're going to see green/blue screen. You click that. And then this is how it's going to look. Well, let's start because that's not here. So yeah, that's how it's going to look. So if you don't want that type of music, I understand you're probably like, I don't want that type of music, girl, what? So you'll just go right here, you click the thing, and then you're just gonna go all the way here and turn the music down. So it's on mute, and you can go to plus, and we're just gonna find a random thing and put some random music on. Yeah. Well, hold up, just 16 seconds, right? Oh, we're gonna just use this one then. Because I don't want to use that one because that's a whole different intro that I made. I'm going to just show you how it comes on Aftermath. But yeah, we're just going to wait for it to load. Yo, this is taking forever. Alright. So it's starting to finish. Anyways, let's go. So you just gonna press the green dots and audio only.
Bitch, I don't fuck with niggas cause they fool. You think that I'm fleetest cause it's true. Bitch, turn the AC on, heat up the stew. Nigga, I don't want this bitch, come get your boo. Just like Billy said, I'm up a deuce. Shiny and prawn up a deuce. We buff.
So yeah, that's that. And that is part 1 on how to make an intro. This is just like the little regular intro thingies. And yeah. And all you have to search up for this is subscribe button green screen. And it's going to be 5 different types. Like, click the video and you can screen record it. And boom, you got your green screen light. It's that simple. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And at the end of this video, I'm going to play like a different video of how the outcome will actually, like, the outcome is going to be. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for 244 subscribers. On the road to 300. And, yeah. Thank you guys so much. Bye.